Hi guys, been picking stuff up in the street again. Actually spotted this several days ago and didn't pick it up, but it was still there yesterday, so I picked it up. Not entirely sure what it is, but we've got serial numbers on there, so I should be able to look it up. It's clearly been run over at least once, so it's crushed. If you recognise it, you can always drop a comment. Let me know what you think it is. It's got some writing there. And that says Pro, P-R-O. Just guessing. Could be a P, could be an R, could be an O. That logo. Is that LG? Not sure. Have to Google it. Like I say, if you recognise what it is, drop me a note in the comments. I'm going to quick Google search for the C-U0008. Comes up with Logitech mouse. And that is the Logitech logo, not the LG logo that I was thinking. So Logitech, and it looks like it's the mouse adapter, wireless mouse adapter, or dongle as I was calling it. So somebody is mouseless. While we're at it, we might as well see if we can get inside. What can we see? Well, little peek inside. There is a circuit board in there. And a chip. Let's try and go in a bit closer. There we are. That's what's inside. You can make out the serial numbers there. That's a crystal, isn't it? So that'll be the timing. And a bit of gentle persuasion. And that bit's going to come off as well. Oh, there we go. No doubt about it being Logitech now. Yeah, well, there you go. That's what was inside, and it is Logitech. Well, I've carefully rebent the packaging. Have I done that the wrong way up? No, that is the right way up. Yeah, but I don't think I'll go plugging it into anything that I own, just in case. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.